Welcome students to the online learning of South International School. This is part 10, part 6 of grade 10 science chapter number 10. In this lecture we will be discussing about refraction. We already know that light seems to travel along a straight line path in a transparent medium. Now we have a lot of transparent medium: glass, water, then kerosene. There are a lot of things which is transparent, and in when light travels in the transparent medium, what is the effect on the wavelength of light or the rays of light? What happens when light enters from one medium to another medium? Does it still move along a straight line or change its direction? Yes, it may change its direction. It may not be traveling in a straight line. So we'll discuss about it in detail. The bottom of a swimming pool appears higher. Have you seen a swimming pool? So when you see its bottom, it seems that it is bulged out, or it is coming in the upward direction. Pencil partially immersed in water appears to be bent at interface of water and air. Letters of a book appear to be raised when you see it through a glass slab. Okay, you have a piece of glass, and when you try to see it from the glass slab, it seems that the letters appear letters are raised up just like a bump or anything. Now, what is refraction actually? Refraction is a bending of light. When the light bends when it enters obliquely from one transparent medium to another. Or we can say that the deviation means a change in direction and path of a ray of light from one medium to another. What are the causes of this deviation? Causes of refraction. Refraction occurs due to different speed of light in different medium. It even is caused due to the optical density. What is optical density? Optical density is the ability of the medium to refract light rays. Okay, so in short, what is refraction? Refraction is just bending of light when the light enters from one medium to another medium. When light is moving from air medium to a glass medium, or air medium to a water medium, so there is a bend, or there is a deviation. Deviation means the angle will change. The ray of light is passing through an angle, so its angle will change, and this causes bending of light. Now, when it is passing through an optical, it shows an optical density. It moves from rarer to a denser medium. Okay, suppose we have air and we have water. Okay, so one is a rarer medium and one is a denser medium. So what happens when it moves from rarer medium to denser medium? It slows down, means the wavelength of the ray of light slows down, and it bends towards the normal. And when it is moving from a denser medium to a rarer medium, its wavelength speeds up and it bends away from the normal. When it is bending towards the normal is a perpendicular straight line. Okay, let's see it with the help of a figure. Now, when it is moving from a rarer medium to a denser medium, this is a wavelength. You can see the normal wavelength, normal line, that is straight. Okay, the upper one is a rarer medium, it is N1, and the lower medium is a denser medium, that is N2. Now, when the incident ray is, the source of light is coming from a rarer medium and it is entering a denser medium after striking the normal. So when it strikes the normal, it makes an angle. That angle is known as angle of incidence. And when it is moving to the another medium, it bends towards the normal. Okay, now in this figure you can see that I and R, angle I is different, angle R is different. Okay, angle I is bigger and angle R is smaller. So we can say that R is less than I. Angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Clear? Now, when it moves from a denser medium to a rarer medium, suppose this ray of light is moving from N2 to N1 region, what happens? It will bend away from the normal. So you can literally see that the angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction. Okay, so R will be greater than I. So it is moving from a denser medium to a rarer medium. Now next is refraction through a glass prism. Now what happens when a ray of light refracts from a glass prism?